Hi everyone, this is the Millennium Media Case Analysis by Britt. So a little bit about Millennium Media. Millennium Media was established in 1975 and quickly began to thrive as a business promoting media to young adults. About 10 years into the opening of their business, they were quickly known for their ethnic diversity and creativity as a company. However, about 20 years later, despite their world-renowned fame, they are struggling from issues regarding ethnic diversity. So these problems defined. As mentioned before, there is no diversity, especially in leadership positions. In addition, new hires are also having difficulty adjusting to the company's culture. This is a result of a lack of support from management throughout the company. So some of the goals that Millennium Media is going to try to reach to solve these problems in the short term and the long term are to examine the employee's performance and knowledge of their current position just to make sure that everyone in the position is suited for that job. In the long term, Millennium is going to be taking a look at their hiring processes and promotion policies to make sure that's what's best for the company. So from the managerial side of things, some objectives that they would like to reach as a company would be to select qualified candidates for leadership roles, improve company culture, and reevaluate current members to make sure that the positions that they are in are suited best for them. So a little bit of information that's relevant to this case. There are currently no employees of color on the executive committee within the company. There are only 2 women of color out of 10 unit presidents throughout the company, and promotions are currently based on tenure, not experience. So these are some of the best solutions we can come up with regarding the issues we have previously discussed. We'd like to use an external recruiting company to minimize the biased opinions in the hiring process to help us build a more ethnically diverse staff. In order to make new hires feel more comfortable within the company, we'd like to offer a welcome class that would pretty much just establish company policy, the benefits that they will be receiving as new employees, and really focus on group building exercises. In regards to the lack of management support, we'd like to offer management training classes to educate our managers and those in supervisor positions how to better serve their employees. Implementing solutions. So we want to hire an external company to facilitate interviews and testing to help us hire a more ethnically diverse staff. We'd like to hire ABC Business Dynamics to train the HR managers to teach the welcome class and teach them some important team building exercises. We'd also like to use ABC Business Dynamics to train management in the management support classes we'd like to offer. So communicating the solutions. There are several channels of communication that we'd like to use, including email, print and text, and visual aids to include posters and flyers. Emails and letters will be distributed to company employees to tell them when, where, and what classes will be offered. Visual aids will just reaffirm class times and locations using posters and flyers. In addition to these communication channels, Millennium Media President will record a press conference type video that will be addressing the issues in the chosen solutions. Prior to the implementation of these solutions, unit presidents will have staff meetings with their units discussing these changes.